Okay, so when we left off, we talked about writing a persuasive argumentative essay in theory, and now we're going to go and look briefly at an example. I just did a body paragraph here for the sake of simplicity, and it looks like I'm having some trouble with navigating. So let me get back where I need to be. Okay, here's examples, thesis statement, and paragraph. So for a prompt in pre-writing, the prompt I made up here is, do you think that technical schools and occupations should be viewed as equal to, lesser than, or greater than a college education? So the stance that I took is that I think technical schools should be considered equal. And for some quick pre-writing, I said, okay, so the income ends up being about the same for a lot of different fields. They both require specialized skills. Different people have different skills and strengths, so we need to allow people to play to their strengths. And crafts or the creation of objects are an important part of our economy. So now I want to take that pre-writing and that stance and turn it into a thesis statement. So I'll start by reversing the prompt. Technical schools and the careers they prepare students for should be considered equal to a college education because, and then I'll choose three things from my list from before. Technical skills teach skills. These jobs are needed for the economy, and they allow for a more equitable understanding of personal value. So when I combine them, I end up with technical schools and the careers they prepare students for should be considered equal to a college education because both require specialized skills. Trades are an important and valuable part of our economy, and viewing different contributions as equal helps people see these skills and contributions as valuable. So my topic sentence / thesis. Well, my thesis I've already given you. So my topic sentence is going to be students who receive, for this paragraph, students who receive an education from a technical school learn as many specialized skills as their university counterparts. So my exposition here might be, technical schools teach students important skills that are necessary in their fields. For instance, mechanics learn how to diagnose and fix problems with cars in much the same way that doctors learn to diagnose and treat patients. And to analyze that, the critical thinking and practical skills taught in technical schools have similar value as those taught on colleges' campuses and should be treated as equally valued. And then here's some examples of exposition for points 2 and point 3. So exposition for my second paragraph would be value. So in fact, those who learn a trade perform valuable services that are crucial to our economy, and that could be a topic sentence as well. Plumbers, for instance, fix toilets and plumbing, which are tasks that most of us don't want to do. Similarly, mechanics fix cars, and their specialized knowledge ensures that we're able to get where we need to go. And then I want to analyze what I've presented. The jobs that these individuals do are not only necessary, but they are also well paid because they perform tasks that the average individual has neither desire nor knowledge to do. And so here's the third exposition for the third body paragraph. Or in this particular example, I had done it as a single paragraph, but it could work either way. So to introduce, or for a topic sentence, our current model prioritizes one type of information or learning over others by stressing the intellectual demands of college. For the present step, however, this leaves many individuals who work better with their hands or who are interested in a different kind of problem solving feeling inferior to their college-educated peers. And analyze, but those who work in these trades make valuable and necessary contributions to our society and economy, and they should be treated with an equal level of respect. And so the transition sentence, or the rephrasing of the thesis is actually how this would go. It would be the first sentence of the conclusion. We currently prioritize a college education, but perhaps we should change our thinking because those who choose to attend trade school learn important skills, contribute to society, and deserve to be treated with the same respect as their college-educated counterparts. So that's the end of the example. And in a moment, I will come back and I'll start talking about research. Even though that's not going to be required for this class, I wanted to kind of give you guys a primer and give you some information on it. So I'll see you again in a few minutes.